Hey guys, I'm sweaty and tired here. I just finished doing some weed whacking around a dead bush by my arena. So if I can point to it, it's really sunny. It's somewhere in here, this dead bush. It looks like it's alive because all of the vines and everything have climbed up over it and covered it, but it's definitely dead. So we're gonna see if we can get it out of there today. So there's the bush, a little bit better shot at it. It's a whole bunch of stems that have come up and died down there. I've got an old tire. It's a Goodyear actually, and rim, chain. I'm gonna try and do is wrap the chain around there a couple times, up and over the tire, and then hook it to my tractor and see if I can pull this thing out. First thing, get the tractor, unhitch the trailer. You get the old John Deere fired up. Got the fuel turned on a little bowl. Make it hot. We're gonna pull on the starter. We'll watch for oil pressure to come up. That's it. First thing we gotta do is raise up the that'll be good. Just like magic. Little crank jack is down, so we're gonna let her down now. We're free. Off we go. Wait a second. Alright, so what we'll do is we'll stand up the wheel. I don't know if we're going to have to get something to hold it up. Oh, and then it'll roll right in there. Right up. But we don't have enough chain. I'll find more chain. Alright, grab another chain. This is probably the one I should have wrapped around. It's a little bit longer, but that one lives in the truck. So I'm gonna have to get a clevis. These are about the same size, so we'll just, maybe not, maybe this one. There we go. We'll get this clevis. Put that there. Probably forget it there. And then we want this one. Okay. So we're not going to be towing from the back there, although that offset is definitely designed for pulling versus hooking to the drawbar. But we're trying to do this a little bit safer. We're going to do it under here. So that's going to go there. Let me rig up the chain and I'll show you what it looks like. Wrapped around the bush thing, over the tire. I got to center it up a little bit. I had hoped to have a clevis here, but one clevis was too big. The other one was okay to fit in the chains, but that'll be fine. I used the other clevis here. I gotta straighten this up a little bit, but I wanted it so that I knew that it wouldn't come off of the tractor. So it looks complicated, but it's not. And then the rest of the chain is just hooked up over the back of the hitch to get it out of the way. I got a little bit extra safety. I'm a little bit close to the bush, but it's on purpose because if anything lets go, I would really like it to sort of be caught by the front of the tractor. Hopefully, and like I said, I'm gonna have a hard hat and stuff, safety glasses, whatnot, so we'll give it a try. I don't know if I stayed in the frame or not, but it pulled on it, but the tires were spinning. All right, first try, two things happened. One, not a darn thing, and two, the tire squished down a little bit, so I put a little bit of air in it. It's not a really good tire, so I didn't put a lot in it. And the wheels spun. I don't know if you could see that, but we're gonna give it another try, slow and easy, and then maybe we'll adapt. I'm surprised. Are you? It did come out. How about that? Left a couple big divots there, but that's okay. There you have it. This is one of the big drains. Apparently there's a big nest or hole under there. Maybe rabbits or something. No. There it is. Did good. Old John Deere. All right, until next time.